When you have a job to do in low light, you could struggle with that dull and dim flashlight, or try lugging out that old wired work light that still needs to be plugged in. What you need is Handy Brite from JML, the new cordless LED work light that fills any space with a blanket of powerfully bright light. When compared to an ordinary torch, Handy Brite is so much brighter. Just look at the difference. The secret is in Handy Brite's 20 ultra-bright, long-lasting COB LEDs. The unique stand-up design lets you work hands-free, and the built-in ultra-strong magnetic base instantly attaches Handy Brite to any metal surface, giving you the ultimate hands-free ultra-bright light, even upside down. And with a built-in swivel hook, you can hang Handy Brite anywhere. Use Handy Brite to light up a dark cupboard or under the sink, making it easier to see, and it's great for that dimly lit basement or attic. Use Handy Brite to brighten up the garage or outside in the tool shed. It's perfect for places where you need light and you don't have power. Handy Brite's compact design lets you light up even the tightest of spaces. It's always the right light for the job. Handy Brite is super lightweight. Keep one in the house. It's so compact that it easily stores in a drawer or in the car, so it's always ready for emergencies when you need a bright light the most. Handy Brite is great for camping and fishing, durable and built to last. Don't struggle trying to work with not enough light and reach for the super powerful Handy Brite from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.